that. And let's see here, we start our guy. Let's run our app here. Alright, so and reverse. Then left and right I have it also hooked up to forward, so I don't get a lot of steering, but as with this cheap new bright motor, I might replace that with the servo or something that I can control a little better of the positioning of the motor. I think right now it just kind of turns that motor, and there's a stopper built into the new bright kind of hardware here that kind of stops the motor from turning. So it's just two motors with an H bridge, and I'm just switching the way the current flows forward and reverse. Ooh, looks like I might have dropped a pin there.